It's their first time having a water bowl. They've already been on mama and been fed mush this morning, but a water bowl and lapping it up is a new thing, so I think they like it. We just put them in their big pen, and so they're exploring it. The herb litter has been in their smaller whelping pen, and now they're in their weaning pen. It has a big bed. We left the swing in. They've got lots of toys and their potty area back there. And now they'll have their kennels open so that they can lay in kennels if they want to, too. I'm sure later today they'll be all over the place in here.
What's over there?
Oh no, that's not a toy. Who was that, Paprika?
Yep.
There, she found a different toy though. Oh, and then she found one. You guys got yourselves soaked. So that's new, and you got the water bowl all dirty. That's funny.
I think the puppies are happy now. Well, it's big.
Oh, they're gonna chew the paper. They always chew the paper when they first get paper instead of the pads. That's okay.